Ninja Panda 27 Yones, and we are going to play today some
Motorbike.
And we're here with the mutant penguin, and we're going to get it started. Yeah, it's a Q. It's hipster.
It's a Q.
It's hipster. All right, let's do some video. Oh, and we have Smart Bloke here. I don't know. He might not say anything, but he's here in the room, looking down and asking us what we're doing. All right, so let's get started. All right. Sounds like one big massive fart. Look at that. A big fart. That's what it is.
You guys started without me?
Oh no, just join in.
You suck.
I know. You don't have to remind me. My life is a failure.
Alright.
Oh, meanie. I'm the farting king. I fart like a master. Listen.
Oh, dude, he just slammed his face.
Yes. That was the whole point. Escape means retire? Is this guy old? How old is this dude? Alright, let's see what retire does.
It killed him.
No, it makes you eject? I love this button. I enjoy this button very much. Let's play this next one. Let's play this. Enjoyable. I'm gonna eject in the middle of the air because I'm a Miz. Oh god! Oh my god! Well, that didn't work. You're terrible. No one likes you.
Get a new player.
No, he's beautiful. Look at those sunglasses. Look at that butt. Look at that butt. Not. I do. I only love him for his butt. Only love you for my butt. Get up a ramp. Jeez, this guy sucks. He's terrible. Alright, ooh, I'm gonna draw my own map now. 'Cause I can.
Mine is awesome.
That might be a little bit of an overstatement. Alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Eject! Backflip! Land it! Land it! Land it! Land it! Land it! Land it! That was perfect. That was perfect.
No, he landed like collapsed.
He's dead. Like that. Yes. Oh, where is he? Where is he? Freaking alien. Freaking alien. Yes, backflip. He's an alien, I knew it. Done, 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 and done, 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 done. Let's see, what can we put in here? Explosive bar. That looks fun.
Whoa, 2 backflips? What the dog?
2 backflips in 1.
Well, I'm gonna do 7 backflips.
What?
I'm gonna do 7.
Is that even, like, possible?
It is now.
This guy cannot land a backflip like anybody else. He's an alien. That's what he is. Get used to it.
Ah, my guy landed magnificent.
He's an alien. What is wrong with him? Alright, let's change his outfit. Look at that butt. Look at that butt. Outfit. No, not jeans. No, yikes.
You're
like,
just looking for
yes! Yes, yes, yes. Where's the pink one? Where's the pink one? Yes! 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 This is perfect. This is perfect. This is absolutely perfect. Look at me. I'm a boss.
Wait.
You suck so much. Alright, that's all we're gonna do for today. Love you guys, love you my subscribers. I'm kidding, you know I love you. Alright, thank you guys. I'll see you later on the next video, and that is all for today. This is Ben 27.